Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about DM. DM stands for Direct Method. What is DM? DM means Direct Method. Direct Method is not new. Its principles have been applied by language teachers for many years. Most recently, it was revived as a method when the goal of instruction became learning how to use another language to communicate. The direct method has one very basic rule: no translation allowed. In fact, the direct method receives its name from the fact that meaning is to be conveyed directly in the target language through the use of demonstration and visual aids, with no resources to the student native language. What is the purpose of using direct method in teaching English language? The purpose of using direct method in teaching English language is learning how to use another language to communicate. Principles of direct method. Reading in the target language should be taught from the beginning of learning process. Object should be used to help student understand the meaning of vocabulary. The native language should not be used in the classroom. The teacher should demonstrate, not explain or translate the meaning of words. Students should learn to think in the target language as soon as possible. The purpose of learning is communication. Pronunciation should be worked on right form from the beginning. Self-correction facilitates language learning. Students should be encouraged to speak as much as possible. Grammar should be taught inductively. Writing is an important skill to be developed from the beginning of language instruction. The syllabus is based on situation or topics. Learning another language also involves how speakers of that language live. What is the role of the teacher in direct method? From its name, the teacher directs the class activity. What is the role of the student in direct method? The students learn how to think in target language so they can communicate in target language. What is the role of the student's native language in direct method? The student native language shouldn't be used in the classroom. What is the nature of interaction between teacher and student in direct method? The teacher communicate or interact with student. Also, the student can interact with their teacher. What areas of language are emphasized in direct method? Vocabulary is emphasized over grammar in direct method. What skills of language are emphasized in direct method? The 4 skills are emphasized in direct method: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. How is evaluation accomplished in direct method? Students ask to use the target language, not demonstrate their knowledge about the language. How does the teacher respond to student error in direct method? The teacher employs various techniques trying to get the student to self-correction whenever possible. The characteristics of teaching and learning process in direct method are association meaning, never using target language, real situation communication, inductively application of grammar. What are the techniques of direct method? Reading aloud, questions and answer exercises, getting student to self-correction, conversation practice, fill in the blanks exercise, dictations, map drawing, paragraph writing. For more information and details, visit the link in the description box. Thank you and have a good day.